The ultimate guide to sleeping better with music. Music is the perfect way to calm down and fall asleep. It can help you get a better night's sleep and improve your mood in the morning. The first step to sleeping better with music is choosing the right music for you. You will need to find songs that are relaxing, soothing, or calming. You can use Spotify or Apple Music to find these songs by using their playlists or search feature. If you have trouble falling asleep, try listening to music for 20 minutes before bedtime. Make sure it's not too loud but just enough so that it blocks out any other noise in the room. Top 10 Best Sleeping Music Playlists. Some people believe that music can help with sleep. They have a special playlist that they listen to before going to bed. These playlists are known as sleeping music playlists, and they usually have soothing sounds and melodies. Here are the top 10 best sleeping music playlists for you. 1. Sleep music for deep sleep. 2. Meditation music for sleep. 3. Relaxing music for meditation. 4. Sleeping music playlist. 5. Sleep sounds, white noise and relaxing music mix. 6. Healing sounds of nature. 7. Calming and relaxing guided meditations. 8. Romantic piano instrumental. 9. Massage therapy and soothing acoustic instrumental pieces. 10. Relaxing classical piano music. What kind of music is the best for falling asleep faster? Music can have a significant impact on our mood, emotions, and even physical health. It's also been shown that music can have a big impact on our sleep habits. For example, it can help us fall asleep faster and sleep better. Different people react differently to different types of music. Some people find that they can't fall asleep when listening to certain types of music, while others find it helps them relax and get ready for bedtime. What are the health benefits of sleeping with a white noise machine? White noise machines are a great way to help people sleep better. They provide a constant noise that helps the brain to relax and fall asleep faster. The noise blocks out other noises that might be disruptive and keeps the brain from focusing on anything else but the sound. The white noise machine is also helpful for people who have trouble sleeping because of tinnitus or other noises in their environment. It can help them fall asleep easier, as it will drown out any other noises in the room and allow them to focus on the white noise.